Guys, what's going on? Tonight we are going to be making tuna tacos. We're going to be using simple ingredients. We are actually going to make these out of lettuce wraps. We're going to use tomato, avocado, sriracha, some Himalayan salt, pepper, and of course the tuna. So stay tuned for more. All right, guys, so next step, you're going to place the tuna right into a bowl like so, and then you're just going to add a little bit of the sriracha aioli sauce just to give it that extra flavor, not too much, not to take away the cleanliness of the protein inside the bowl. So now that that is done, this is what your tuna should look like. And now we're going to come back to the veggies and we're going to wash them to make sure they're nice and clean and dice them up to place on the tuna tacos. So first step into the taco, you're going to place your tomatoes just like this. All right, obviously the next step, we're going to place the avocado like so. And for the finale, we're just going to throw that tuna on there like so. All right, and then you could always use your favorite seasonings. I always love some pink Himalayan salt and some pepper, so we're going to throw that right on top of the tuna as well. All right, and there is the final results, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, guys, this is a super easy meal that you can make pretty much every night. Tuna is super high in protein, low calorie, just throwing some veggies on top of it. Again, just be careful with the sriracha aioli sauce. It is really good, but everything in moderation. Just keep the usage to a minimum, just add some flavor and explore. Throw some of your favorite sauces in there. That's definitely one of mine. I've also had some Chipotle ranch before, so be creative and do you. Hope you guys have a great time.